So I pre-ordered the GoPro Hero 8 Black 2 weeks ago, and it said 2-day shipping, but it wasn't 2-day shipping. When I came from school, it was on my doorstep. So I was like, let's just make an unboxing video. So let's jump right into the box, and let's see what do we have over here. Okay, a lot of so this is the Hero 8. What else do we have? They give the free 32 gigabyte what do we say, SD card with the pre-order. So only for pre. What is that? What do we say? My address and everything. So I don't want to show this on camera. And this was separate, but I also bought a selfie stick, which I will open after that. So let's open the GoPro up first. Let's just do it without it. Oh my god. That looks so cool. Like, it's so small, but at the same time, like, it does such amazing things. Like 4K at 60 frames per second, hyper smooth 2.0. Where do I open this? Oh, there it is. Okay. Next to it. Oh my god. That is so awesome. Breathtaking. Like, gives me butterflies in my stomach. Okay, so I've never owned a GoPro before, so let's see, like, how do you even open this? Oh, from this side, it gives you all the instructions and everything. Okay, so GoPro Plus. Okay, okay. Okay, oh, so many cards. What is this? GoPro stickers. Oh my god. Alrighty. Wow. Look at that unboxing experience. Okay, this is a charger, USB-C. Never had a GoPro. I don't know how to speak English at the moment, apparently. Okay, so how do you take this off? So I lift it up. Then what? What does this mean? It means like push. Oh, there we go. Alrighty. There it is. Is it even in focus? Can you guys see? There is the beauty. So I'm gonna start it up real quick. Let's see. So, oops. Oh, there's the start button over here. So let's see. Doesn't even work. Oh, I'm so stupid. The battery. Okay, how do you open that? I should have just read the manual first, like, but who does that? We are techie people. Oh my god. Let's see the manual. What is this? All in Chinese. Let's take this off first. The mount. Alrighty. Has the built-in mounts. Oh, you push this forward first. Oh, there we go. Oh, there it is. Open finally. So no battery. So we gotta insert this battery. I think you should remove this first, right? Oh man. You know what? Let me watch a YouTube video and I'll be right back. Apparently I've learned that you don't have to take this off all the way in. Okay. Oh, it's this way. What have I learned then? Let's see. It started. Wow. Oh, let me focus. It says choose English, France, and all that. Does it have Arabic? Just see. Nope. Okay, English. And then it says by using GoPro I agree. Yeah, we don't have to look at the agreements, we just continue like everybody does. I will go through everything and then I will continue recording. Alrighty guys, so once again I am back after setting up in the phone, and as you can see the battery is not that charged. It was at 11 and now it's at 8, so I don't know how the battery will be, but it has like all the time lapse and video, photo. You can see the setup and everything. Oh, there it is. So all these settings, and you can add custom all these. Okay, alrighty, so that's linear. So that is that. And also bought from Amazon the selfie stick for the action camera, which I haven't unboxed yet too. Oops, things are falling out already. It's a huge mess. Oh my god. Okay, what else do we have? Now something special about this one was that this also becomes into a tripod. It's that one. So let's see, I'm just gonna tear this. I hate to do this, but it has to be done. So it goes up to, how much it said? It goes up to 35.4. Yeah, it also becomes a tripod. And oh, there's a lock. Yeah, it said on the box, which you twist it somehow. But anyways, so the GoPro Hero 8 has a built-in mount, and you can just connect that to this and vlog, you know. Okay, it says over here it's locked this way. Okay, I can extend it. Oh, this is just remove it. Okay, I will figure this one out later. But yeah, that's pretty much it for now guys, and I will see you guys after when I do some test shots, and I will post that too. So yep, this bad boy is ready, I believe. So see you guys in the next video, hopefully.